Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MATLAB class. So we have started one lecture series in the field of digital image processing. In previous lecture we have seen the image negative or image negation transformation. That is, we have covered the theoretical part of image negation. So in today's lecture I would like to implement the image negative or image negation in MATLAB. So before going for MATLAB implementation, just go to my YouTube channel, like my all the videos, share my all the videos and subscribe my page. Thank you so much. Now just open MATLAB and take new script to write code. So I would like to take new script for writing code. Now you have to write a MATLAB code. So first thing that you have to do is just write comment sign, that is implementation of image negatives for both color and grayscale image. Scale image. Now second command line that you have to write is so first is my title, second line is for author, so author for this is MATLAB class, then you are supposed to write the date, today's date, so the date is 13/3/2020. now you have to write CLC and clear all. So first thing that you have to do is you have to read input image in MATLAB. So by using file space path is equal to UI get file into bracket into single inverted star dot star. You are supposed to write star dot star. The meaning of star dot star is all file, means we are going to take the review of all files by using UI get file command. Now just I'm going to write img is equal to imread into bracket file, means we are going to read the content of the file with the help of imread command. Now just enter here. Now we have to find out the maximum pixel value present in input image variable img. So we have a formula for image negation, that is s is equal to, so I'm going to write formula in command line. The formula of image negation, that is output s is equal to l minus 1 minus r. So in this case s is your output, l minus 1 is nothing but maximum pixel value present in input image and r is your input image. So I just want to find out the max pixel value present in input image. So with the help of max command we can find out the max pixel value present in input image. So my variable maxi is equal to max into bracket img into bracket colon. It means that from all rows and all column you have to find out max value. So here I am getting maximum value from input image. So enter. Now I just want to subtract the input image r from maximum value. So you have to write the output variable s is equal to maxi minus img variable. So here my input is nothing but img variable, so you have to subtract variable img from variable maxi. So s is my output and img is my input. Now I would like to show both the images in figure window. So I'm going to write subplot into bracket 1 comma 2 comma 1 semicolon, then show into bracket variable img semicolon. The title of the code is title of the figure is input image. Now just copy this line, Control C and Control V. Now you have to write here second subplot show, instead of img you have to write variable s, that is this variable is nothing but image negative variable, and negative image, just modify it to negative image. Now save this code in MATLAB. Now I'm going to save this code with negative.yum file. Save this code and now run this code. Now simply run this code. It will open current folder and you have to choose one image file from input database. It will take few seconds to load. Okay, now my current folder is open. So you have to select one grayscale image, just click on open. It will give us the corresponding output. So this is my output. So this is my input image and this is the image negative for this corresponding input image. So I am getting exactly negative image for this corresponding input image. Now I would like to implement the same code for color image. Now simply just copy these lines, Control C, take new script, Control V. Now we have to write this code for color image. So first you have to find out the various planes from input image R. So R is equal to img into bracket colon comma 1. G is equal to img into bracket colon comma 2. That means we have extracted second plane. B is equal to img into bracket colon comma 3, means we have extracted third plane. So I just want to find out the max value present in plane R, the max value present in plane G, that is green, and the max value present in plane blue. So I'm going to write the variable maxi1 is equal to max into bracket R into bracket colon. Same to same, I would like to repeat it for remaining two planes, that is maxi2 and maxi3. Here I am having variable Z and variable B. So by this way we have calculated the maximum value present in red plane, maximum value present in green plane, and max value present in plane blue. Now we have to subtract RGB variable from this maximum value. So my first out1 is equal to, or we can write new red is equal to maxi1 minus variable R. Now you have to copy this variable or copy this line, Control C, Control V, Control V, new R, new G, and new blue. So maximum 1, maximum 2, and maximum 3, R, G, and B. You have to subtract these three variables. Now you have to combine new R, new G, and new B by using cat command. So my negative image, negative underscore img is equal to cat into bracket 3 comma Control C, new R comma Control C, Control V, new green comma Control C, Control V, new blue, semicolon, enter. Now you have to show both the images by using subplot. So I'm just going to copy paste this line, these two lines, Control C and Control V. Subplot I am show variable img. So in this figure window you have to show the input image img, and in second figure window you have to show the negative image. So the variable is negative img, Control C, Control V. Now you have to save this code with the name. I'm going to save this with negative, take any name, save, and just run this code and just take input as a color image and just check it out how my output will looks like. Yes, so this is my input RGB image and this is the corresponding negative image for input RGB image. Means we have run this code for both grayscale as well as color image. So this is for corresponding output for color image. So I'm going to run this for once again for second image, that is paper image. Open, it will run for second image. So this is my input image and this is my corresponding negative image. So this is for color image and we can have output for grayscale image as well. So I'm going to run it for grayscale image. So just have a look for this. Open. So this is my output for grayscale image. Now we can run it for binary image as well. We can see the output for binary image. Open, open. Yes, so zeros are converted to 1 and 1 are converted to zeros. So this is input image, input binary image, and this is the negative corresponding binary image. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more content in MATLAB or in digital image processing, then just go to my YouTube channel, like my page, like my all the videos, share my all the videos, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.